What if I told you that the phone in your hand is worth far more than just scrolling through TikTok, WhatsApp, and Instagram? Every single day, thousands of Kenyans use their smartphones to consume content, chat with friends, and watch videos. But a small group is using the exact same smartphone to make money. The difference isn't the phone, it is how they use it. If you've been saying, I don't have a laptop or I don't have enough money to start a business, this video is for you. Today, I'll share 7 online businesses you can start in Kenya using only your smartphone. These businesses are beginner-friendly, flexible, and can grow into reliable sources of income. And stay until the end because I reveal the one business I'd start first if I had to begin all over again with nothing but my phone. Let's get started. But before we start, let's agree on one thing. A smartphone is a tool, not a business. The income comes from the value you create with it. Many people spend 4 or 5 hours every day on their phones. Imagine if even one of those hours was spent building a business instead of just consuming content. That one decision could completely change your financial future. The first business idea is becoming a content creator. Create content on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. If you enjoy teaching, sharing experiences, or telling stories, content creation is one of the best online businesses you can start. You could create content about personal finance, motherhood, beauty, cooking, farming, fashion, business, fitness, student life, or even DIY projects. As your audience grows, you can earn from YouTube AdSense, brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, even sponsored content. Don't wait for expensive equipment. Many successful creators started with nothing more than a smartphone and good lighting. I am one of them. I currently use my phone to record videos, but one day I will upgrade. There is no pressure. Remember this, people don't subscribe because your camera is expensive. They subscribe because your content is valuable. The second business idea is selling digital products. This is one of my favorite online businesses because you don't need stock or a physical shop. You can create products such as budget planners, savings challenges, meal planners, printable calendars, ebooks, children's learning worksheets, wedding planners, and business templates. You can design many of these using free apps like Canva directly on your phone, then sell them through Seller, Pip, or Gumroad. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and sell them repeatedly. For me, Canva is home and Seller is my shop. And with that, if you've been struggling with saving, let me introduce you to my 100 Challenges Savings Collection. Here you get to learn guided methods to help you save money, whether it's just savings, creating an emergency fund, or even saving for a sinking fund. The next business idea at number 3 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting someone else's product or service. When someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. You don't handle stock, you don't deliver products, you don't deal with customer support. You simply connect buyers with solutions they already need. You can promote online courses, ebooks, budget planners, softwares, business tools, financial services, e-commerce products. As your audience and trust grows, so can your income. The fourth business idea is social media management. Many businesses know they should be active online, but they don't have the time or skills to manage their pages consistently. That's where you come in. Using your phone, you can create graphics in Canva, schedule posts, reply to customer messages, write captions for the post reels and stories, and monitor engagement. Start by offering your services to local businesses like salons, boutiques, restaurants, and small shops. As you build experience, you can increase your rates and work with multiple clients. Think about all the businesses in your area that haven't posted anything in weeks. That's not just an activity, it's an opportunity. Business number 5 is becoming a virtual assistant. Many entrepreneurs are overwhelmed with daily administrative tasks. As a VA, you can help with email management, appointment scheduling, customer support, data entry, internet research, and calendar management. Many of these tasks can be completed using mobile apps. As you gain experience, you can work with clients in Kenya and internationally. The key qualities clients look for are reliability, communication, and organization. Business idea number 6 is selling products through social media. You don't always need your own products. You can source products from wholesalers and market them through WhatsApp status, Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, and TikTok. TikTok. Examples of these products include beauty products, kitchen items, fashion accessories, baby products, home decor, and phone accessories. Start with products that solve everyday problems and have consistent demand. You can even take orders before buying stock to reduce your financial risk. The final business is one that almost every person watching this video can start today, and it has some of the lowest startup costs, offering freelance services. Your smartphone can help you offer skills such as graphic design using Canva, video editing with CapCut, copywriting, proofreading, social media content creation, resume writing, transcription, and many more. Build a small portfolio of sample work, then find clients through LinkedIn, Facebook groups, referrals, freelance marketplaces. Your first client may not pay a lot, but every project helps build your experience and credibility. If I was starting from scratch today with only my smartphone, here is the order I'd follow. Learn one high-income skill such as social media management or Canva design, then start creating content to build an audience, then offer freelance services to generate cash flow. Afterwards, use that income to create and sell digital products. And finally, add affiliate marketing as an extra income stream. This approach helps you build multiple sources of income over time instead of relying on just one. One mistake that keeps many people stuck is that they spend hours watching videos about making money online but never actually start. Knowledge is valuable, but action is what creates income. You don't need to know everything before you begin. Start with what you have. Learn as you go. Improve with every step. The phone in your hand is already powerful enough. The question is, will you use it to consume content or will you use it to create opportunities? Every successful online entrepreneur started as a beginner. The difference is that they started. Your first sale won't happen if you never make your first post, create your first product, or message your first client. Start today. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps more people discover practical ways to earn online. Now I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you had to choose just one of these 7 online businesses, which one would you start and why? And if you're interested in practical business ideas, personal finance, and building a better future from right here in Kenya, make sure you subscribe. Every week I share realistic strategies to help you earn more, manage your money better, and build lasting financial freedom. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.